everybody, we're Nick and Kaylee with Learnin the Ropes, and we are here today to talk about our top 5 benefits of jump rope, so stay tuned. Number 1 is pretty obvious. Jump rope helps us to improve our cardiovascular fitness. People know that, right? We all jump rope for cardio, but what does that really mean? Well, when we're improving that aspect of fitness, what we're doing is strengthening our heart and allowing it to pump blood more efficiently, more effectively to our entire body. So we're getting those nutrients, that oxygen, all over our entire body. And we're also helping to stave off diseases and complications like heart attack, like stroke, right? Things that we hear about. So when you are jumping rope to improve your cardiovascular fitness, you're really affecting your entire body and you're improving your health overall.
Benefit number 2 is that jump rope helps increase speed and agility. So when we're talking about agility, that's the ability to like change directions and move quickly, right? So when we are jumping and learning skills, we're doing some footwork skills, some skiers, some side straddles, all those type of things. Inherently, we're already like jumping off the ground quickly and we're learning different patterns already. So as you're learning those patterns and you start to like put the rope down and start doing your activity, football, basketball, track, baseball, whatever it is, whatever sport it is, whatever you learn in jump rope, you will be able to translate that onto the field, onto the court. It's going to make you a better athlete in whatever sport you are doing.
Benefit number 3, jump rope helps to increase your bone density. That might not sound quite as exciting as like speed, agility, and cardiovascular fitness, but it's actually super, super important. So bone density is really exactly what it says. It's how dense your bones are, how strong they are, right? And jump rope really helps to improve that because it is an impact activity. Anytime we are putting stress on our bones by impacting, so running, jumping, things like that, we are helping to improve that bone density because our bones react to that stress and they're like, oh my goodness, I need to lay down new bone tissue, right? So if we're constantly jumping rope, especially throughout adolescence and early adulthood, we are improving that bone density and we're setting ourselves up to not have things like osteoporosis when we are older. We're also allowing ourselves to have less of a chance of breaking bones even when we're young. So improving bone density, it's a really great benefit of jump rope.
Benefit number 4 is that jump rope helps with injury prevention. So a lot of people won't pick up a rope, they won't start jumping because they feel like when they jump, the impact the jump rope is going to give them is actually going to hurt them, which actually is kind of false. There's a lot of research out there, a lot of science out there that states that jump rope doesn't put any more stress on your joints than running or jogging. So pick up a rope and just kind of have some fun with it. Yes. Now, when you start jumping, what's actually happening is their lower leg muscles are starting to strengthen up just a little bit more. So around the ankles, they're going to start getting a little bit stronger. So when you are on the court, if you're an athlete or on the field, it's going to make it less likely that you will be rolling your ankles because you are jumping and strengthening up those lower leg muscles.
Benefit number 5, so this is the last one of our top 5 benefits of jump rope, and that is that jump rope burns a lot of calories, which is great, right? So whether you are wanting to lose weight or just maintain your weight, jump rope is a great way to support that goal. Clearly, you still gotta eat right, sorry guys, but jump rope can really help out. You might be asking or wondering how many calories jump rope burns, and I have an answer for you. On average, if you are just jumping at a moderate to kind of fast pace, jump rope is gonna burn about 11 to 12 calories per minute. It's gonna vary based on your body size and all that kind of stuff, but on average, 11 to 12, okay? That's a lot. Think about if you were to just jump rope for an hour, maybe kind of boring to do that, but if you did, you would burn between 660 and 720 calories in that hour.
Lots of calories.
That's a lot, all right? So anyway, that is benefit number 5, helps to support healthy weight goals by burning all of the calories.
Those were our top 5 benefits of jump rope.
Yep, and just to recap, number 1 was improving that cardiovascular fitness.
Number 2 was increasing the speed and agility.
Yep, number 3 was bone density, so we're making those bones real strong.
Number 4 was injury prevention.
And number 5 was all the calories that we're burning.
Oh yeah, so we hope that you learned a lot during our video. Before you get out of here, please look below and hit the subscribe button. We really want to keep connecting with you on more and more videos, and we will see you for our next video.
See ya.